The late 1980s and 1990s witnessed a remarkable resurgence in AI research. Several factors contributed to this revival. One of the key catalysts for the AI renaissance was the renewed interest in machine learning and neural networks. Researchers like Geoffrey Hinton and Yann LeCun made breakthroughs in these areas, showing that artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain, could learn and generalize from data. Another factor was the growing number of practical applications for AI. Expert systems found success in fields like medical diagnosis, and machine learning algorithms were used in finance and business. AI was no longer just a theoretical concept, it was becoming a valuable tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow creators who are always on the lookout for fresh inspiration. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and remember, the only limit is your imagination.